Worried that your supplement shipments might trigger declines or account holds? Even small mistakes in packaging or tracking can raise red flags with processors. Here's a simple way to check what processors expect. Look for requirements like proper packaging, tracking, and delivery confirmation. Jot them down in a quick checklist so you can verify every order meets these standards. This manual check is a good starting point, but it won't automatically protect your account if a processor flags something unusual. Processors handling nutraceutical and supplement payments look closely at shipping practices. Missing tracking numbers, improper labeling, or inconsistent delivery methods can trigger declines or account holds. That's why EasyPay Direct combines thorough underwriting with ongoing account optimization. Their team ensures your merchant account stays stable and compliant, even when processor reviews involve shipping standards. You can keep fulfilling orders confidently, knowing your account is supported. Here's a helpful FAQ point. Nutraceutical merchant accounts have specific requirements, including compliance with shipping and documentation standards. Staying aligned with these rules helps prevent declines and keeps your payments flowing smoothly. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can keep your supplement payments stable and compliant, even when shipping standards are reviewed. Don't wait for a processor review to find gaps in your shipping practices. With EasyPay Direct's account optimization and underwriting support, your merchant account stays compliant and your payments uninterrupted. Check the link in the description to get started today.